What are the coverage limits for fences? Have you ever wondered how much protection your fence really has under your homeowner's insurance? Let's break it down so you know what to expect. Fences are typically covered under the Other Structures section of your homeowner's insurance policy. This part of the policy is designed to protect structures that are not attached to your main home, like fences, detached garages, and sheds. Now, when it comes to coverage limits for fences, most policies set this limit as a percentage of your dwelling coverage. Generally, you can expect this limit to be around 10% of your dwelling coverage. For instance, if your home is insured for $300,000, you would likely have about $30,000 available for your fence and other detached structures. Some insurance policies may offer higher limits, ranging from 40% to 70% of your dwelling coverage, but these cases are less common. It really depends on your insurer and the specific terms of your policy. What kinds of damage are covered? Fences are usually protected against specific events, often referred to as perils. These can include severe storms, fire or smoke damage, vandalism, vehicle collisions that do not involve your own vehicle, and fallen trees during storms. However, keep in mind that damage from poor maintenance or normal wear and tear is typically not covered. So, keeping your fence in good shape is essential to ensure your coverage remains valid. For real estate investors, understanding these coverage limits is important. The condition of your fence can impact your property's curb appeal and overall value. If you face extensive damage, you might need to cover some repair costs out of pocket, especially since the coverage limit for fences is often a fraction of your dwelling coverage. When comparing home insurance quotes, it is wise to check the Other Structures coverage limits. If protecting your fence is a priority, consider looking into endorsements or riders that can increase your coverage. Also, filing small claims for minor fence repairs may not be cost-effective due to deductibles. It is often better to save claims for more significant damage. In summary, fences are generally covered under the Other Structures section of homeowners insurance, with coverage limits commonly around 10% of your dwelling coverage. This coverage applies to damage from specific events, not maintenance issues. Real estate investors should carefully review these limits and policy details to ensure adequate protection for their properties.